Hello YouTube, it's me again, Russ, and wanted to share a tip with you today about how to clean oily, greasy parts if you don't have a degreaser machine. I used to work in a machine shop and we had this tank that you could just dip the parts in and all the grease would come off, and it was like heavy chemicals. It was like the early 90s. I'm not sure if that stuff's even legal anymore, but a degreaser tank. I can't pronounce the name of the chemical, but. So what we have here is the engine bracket, motor mount bracket for Vicky. I've decided to keep it. I was gonna harvest another one, but take that off. That's part of the motor mount. But I'm gonna keep this one. It's not tweaked, but I'm gonna need to clean it. It's got a little rust, so I'm gonna paint it with some rust-proof paint. But first we're gonna clean it up. How are we gonna clean it up without a bunch of chemicals, nasty chemicals? Well, I'm gonna put it in my little, got a little pan here. I'm gonna fill this up with hot water and share with you my, my secret for the day. Like my friend JT over there, it's mechanic tips. So this stuff, all right, Dawn. A lot of old mechanics will tell you this stuff is awesome. It's great for washing your hands. You get grease all over your hands, this stuff will take it off. A little bit of brush, you know, bristly brush and some good old Dawn. It talks, you know, it says on there, grease cutting power, right there on the bottle. It's not just for dishes. I don't know what kind of formula they got going on here, but it cleans off oil too. Oil, you know, street grime. The stuff is wonderful. And here we are using some hot water and good old Dawn. I got the 4 times grease cutting power on this one. But yeah, man, I'm using this because I don't want to put it in the sink. Like, you don't want road grime in your sink, in your kitchen sink. That can be hard to clean out. So I keep this little tub around just for this kind of thing, cleaning up parts. And I got this at the dollar store, you know. It's for washing dishes, scrubbing dishes. Works great for parts too. So just gonna scrub it on down. Maybe wipe it with the old car scrubber here. Get as much grease and grime off of this thing as I can. Yeah, a lot of dirt came off that thing. Give it a little rinse there. Rinse it off, let it dry in the sun. All right, let it dry out here in the sun. Look how clean that is though. Boom. Not as much rust as maybe it was dirt on there. It's a little clue about Vicky. This mark usually means it's from a wrecking yard. There's a paint pen on there. I wonder if she was in an accident. Maybe that's why those bolts are broke off, or somebody just put them on wrong. She did have, it looks like a new oil pan. That could be a reason, but we're gonna give this thing a coat of paint. It's got this little rust, some of the paint. See where the paint came off right there. Some kind of weird overspray or what? Hemi orange. To start, this stuff is, yeah, man. And look at that. Looks like it just came out of the box. Except for that. Dry enough before I turned it over. But there's a, I don't know if I like the orange though. Oh yeah. Stay tuned. That's right, from pumpkin orange to solid gold. Extra coat.
Good measure. It's cool. We got us a gold bracket. Gold standard right there.
Don't forget to subscribe, and why not watch another video? Stick around!